Hi guys, so we're going to be doing adding and subtracting decimals. We need to do our standard form and our estimation. When you're estimating decimals, you're going to be rounding to the whole number, which would be your ones place. And here are our steps. First, we're going to line up our decimal. Second, if you do not see a decimal, you need to place one behind the last digit. So that is very important. If I have 5 and I don't see a decimal point, it goes behind that 5 and I can add my 0 now. And that's what takes us to adding placeholders. 0 is the same thing as placeholders. So you can put zeros. Now we're going to add or subtract from right to left. And finally, bring down your decimal point. Whatever place your decimal point is in, you want to bring that straight down. Now, most of your problems you'll get like this. Your first step is going to be to make sure that your decimal point is lined up. Then you want to make sure your place values are right. My 4 is in my tenths, so I need to put my 4 in my, my 4 is my 1, so I need to put my 4 in my 1s. My 8 is in my tenths, so I'm going to put it in my tenths. And you want to add your placeholder. Okay, 0 and 0 gave us 0, 6 and 8 gave us 14. Drop my 4, carry this 1. Put my little plus sign so I can know to add it. 1 plus 2 gave me 3. 3 plus 4 gave me 7. And then bring down my 3. That was my standard form. When we go to estimation, you're using those exact same numbers, except for you want to underline the number to the right of it, draw your arrow over to the place that you're rounding. You're going to ask yourself, is this 4 or less? Let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. 6 is 5 or more, so it's going to tell my 2 to go up. It is now a 3. Everything after that turns into a 0. 8 is 5 or more, so it's going to tell my 4 to go up. It is now a 5, and I can add. You're going to look at these numbers right here to see if it makes sense. This is a close estimation, so that means that this problem checks out. It makes sense. That was for addition. You do the same thing for subtraction. I still want to make sure that my decimals are in a line. I want to make sure that my place values are all the same. My tens and my tens, my ones and my ones, tenths and hundreds. We had to go ahead and add a place value here. I couldn't take 3 away from 0. I had to borrow. My 5 is now a 4, and my 0 became a 10. 10 minus 3 gave me 7. 4 minus 2 gave me 2. 6 minus 5 gave me 1, and 9 minus 1 gave me 8. Now, we wrote the same thing over here, but we needed to make sure that we rounded it to my whole number, which is my ones place. So I circled my ones place, underlined the place to the right of that. Circle my ones place, underline the place to the right of that. This 2 is going to tell this 5 what to do. This 5 is going to tell this 6 what to do. 5 is going to use my rounding up rule, so my 6 is now a 7. 2 is going to say stay, so my 5 stayed the same. Everything after what I rounded turned into a 0. Bring down my decimal on my 0. 7 plus 5 gave me, 7 minus 5 gave me 2. 9 minus 1 gave me 8. And these numbers are close together, so that means they check out.